Okay, guys. Hey, hi. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, everybody. My dear students. Okay. So it's already 7, right? We are being very punctual these days, right? Because it's exactly 7. We have started the live. That's great. That's great. So how are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? Hope so. You all are doing very fine, doing very better. So 13 people are watching. I know. My students are very late for the session every day. Okay, everywhere students will wait for the trainer, but here different story every time. Trainer should wait for the students to come in the class. Okay. So can you all just give a share, guys? Can you all just share the live? Can you all share the live? Can you all share the live so that everybody can just attend the class? Hi Ratul Saha. Hi everybody. Hi everybody. Come on, guys. Let's go. Come on, share the live. 12 people. Who all are there? Come on, let me see. Who's having a consistency in my life? Who is joining every day? Let me have a check. Come on. Hi. 13 people are there. Who is that? Okay. Okay. Who is there? Who's there? Buddy. One all are there. Come on. Come on, guys. Send a text. I think it fits here. Oh, hi, Shweta Chinnu. That's nice to see you every day in the classroom. That's amazing. So, Pooja. Hi, Pooja. Pooja Chaudhary. Okay, hi. I don't know who's this, but yeah, hi. Everybody, not well actually. My throat got infected, bro. Come on, guys, share the live. We'll start at 7:05. Let all my students come. Okay, let them come. Until then, we'll just have a quick talk. Think, yeah. They're joining. 16 people have started joining till now. That's great. That's amazing. Come on, share the live, guys. We can also kickstart. Arun, hi Arun. How are you? How are you, Arun? Nice to see you in my life. Hi, everybody. Hi. Arun just deleted the message. I don't know why. What's wrong? Is my voice audible, guys? Is it audible? Can you all hear me? Am I clear? Can we start the class? Can we start the class, guys? Can we all start the class? I don't know what is there in this. Can we all start? Can we all start the class? 14 people are there. Where are others? Where are others? Where all of them went? Okay, let's kick start with the session. I think people will join right away. Okay, so hi everybody. Let's have a very quick revision what we have learned last class. So I think we have beautifully learned what is three-tier architecture. So you all remember, right? Three-tier architecture has something called three layers: front end, middleware, and one more is back end. Okay. So what is front end? Whatever we see in the user interface, this is called as a front end. So what is backend? Middleware. What is middleware? Whatever we write the logic, that is called as middleware. Okay. So what is backend? All the data what we are gonna store inside the application will be stored inside the backend. This is called three-tier architecture. In that I've taught you what do you mean by server. What do you mean by server? Server is a place where the software is beautifully installed. So this is a server where every software will be installed. To use application, server is used. Are you all understanding? So this is three-tier architecture. So right after that, we all have learned something called how the web works. So do you all remember? Hopefully, okay. There is a user. User will open a browser, then enter some data. It will try to connect to a place called server. But server will not understand human readable format. So we have DNS, right? So what is DNS? Domain name system, which is used to convert human readable format into server understandable format, that is IP address. You all have remembered. Right? You all remember, right? So if you cannot remember, I'll do one thing better. Let me go to my YouTube channel. I'll show you a glance. I'll open my channel better. Okay. So yeah. So we will have a quick glance. Day 2. This is a day 2 video. Yeah. Live inside live, right? So this is called our DNS, right? This is how exactly how it worked. How the web works. Okay. User, browser, enter some data. It will try to connect to server, but server will not understand human readable format. So we have DNS. Will convert human readable format to server understandable, that is IP. That IP will be given, we are getting output. So right after this, we all have learned something called this, right? So what is this? Hypertext markup language, HTML, then CSS, then we have JavaScript. So cascading style sheet is used to give some styling and coloring to the website, and we have JavaScript that is used to write some functionality to the website. This is what we have learned, and we have also learned a quick revision on this. So what do you mean by web page? Web page is a collection of HTML document, okay, or HTML code. What is website? Website is collection of web pages. So what is web server? It is a collection of websites like this. So after this, right after that, we have seen that today we're gonna kickstart with what is HTML. So are you all excited, guys? Are you all excited? Shall we kickstart with a beautiful technology called HTML? What does that mean? Hypertext markup language. That's great. That's amazing. 20 people are watching. Where are the students? Where did they all go? They are late. Okay. So what is this? Hypertext markup language. So today we're gonna learn, guys. What is hypertext markup language, why we want to use that HTML hypertext markup language, how this is used in the real time. Okay, are you all ready, guys? Are you all ready to kickstart the session beautifully? Okay, this is a bad color. Okay, so now let's begin with our now HTML. So what does this hypertext markup language means? Hyper means we call this as a link. Okay, so what do you mean by hyper? Hyper is nothing but links. So what do you mean by that link? That means every website every website every website will have a beautiful links, okay, connected to each and every page. Then we have text. So what do you mean by text? Text is nothing but a format. Okay, then we have something called markup. Markup means it is nothing but the tags what we use in the website. Language means it's just a like a programming language. Okay, so what is this? What is this? Language. So what is this? What does this mean? Programming language. Okay, so what do you mean by hyper? Hyper means it is nothing but a link. So what is link? So every website will have a link connected to each and every, okay, pages. Text means format. Format means for video and audio we have different format, right? Like that, text is also just a format. Markup is nothing but the tags. So what is the tags? Whatever we use. So in every HTML page we are going to use lot of tags. We will learn it in the future. Okay, then what is language? It's like a programming language. So hypertext markup language, okay, it is one of the very popular markup introduced, okay, in the year before that. Who introduced? Tim Berners-Lee. So who is the developer of HTML? Tim Berners-Lee have introduced the HTML in the year, guys. Okay, anybody has an idea? Which year, guys? Any idea? Anybody? First one, Tim Berners-Lee. In the year, I will tell, 1995. Okay, in the year, what is that? 1995. Okay, and why this HTML is used? HTML is used to develop the structure of web pages. Are you understanding? Okay, then why okay, HTML is one of the standard markup language. Okay, are you all getting? So what is HTML? It is developed by Tim Berners-Lee in the year 1995, and it is used to develop the structure of web pages. What is that? We'll see. And it is one of the standard markup language, and HTML tells the browser what has to be displayed. What will be displayed on the user interface. Or in anything is fine. On the user interface. What do you mean by user interface? UI. You call, right? Everybody will tell UI. What is that UI? That's called user interface. Are you all understanding? Everybody understood? So Tim Berners-Lee is a developer. in the year 1995. And why it is used? It is used to develop the structure of web pages. And what is that HTML? It's one of the standard markup language. Are you all understanding? And what is HTML? HTML tells the browser what content has to be displayed. On the or in the user interface. So what we see in the user interface, which will be written by using a HTML code. And the current version, guys, of HTML is HTML5. So HTML5 is the current version of HTML. So you all got this. This is a basic introduction about HTML. So basically, what does this mean? Develop the structure. Okay, yesterday when we saw the house diagram, right? To develop the pillar of every house, to website we have a structure, right? To create that we use HTML. And what do you mean by the standard markup language? Guys, there is not only HTML. Okay, don't think that there is only HTML in the market where it is used to develop the web pages. No. HTML, we also have, there are different alternative. We also have something called XML. There is something called XML also which is available. There is also something called XHTML. which is available in the market. Okay, then we have JSP. Okay, then we have JSX. Okay, no, these are the technologies. Okay, everybody. Okay, this is also available in the market to develop a structure of web pages. Don't assume that only HTML is there. There is also XHTML, there is also XML, there is also JSP, and there is also JSX. So what is XML? Extensible markup language. Okay, extensible hypertext markup language, extensible markup language, Java servlet page, and we also have Java servlet. Okay, JavaScript XML. Are you understanding what is JSX? JavaScript XML. So these are the technologies which is available in the market except the HTML, but still we people intend to use only HTML. We don't want to use this. We always go for HTML. Why? Because it's one of the standard markup language and it's very easy to use. Any beginner, anybody who don't have any knowledge on development can just learn HTML very peacefully, and it's very easy and it's very efficient to run also in the website. Okay, so that is why everybody who uses okay web development will go for HTML rather than going for XHTML, XML, or JSP and JSX. And we use this JSP for Java, advanced Java. We use servlet and Spring Boot, right? There we use JSX. We use in React JS control. You all have heard, right? React. So there we use this JSX. Okay, are you all understanding, guys? This is the basic of HTML. Okay, did you all understand? Shreya, sir, will you teach React? Okay, React is a paid course. See, if I give everything for free, where should I go? You tell me, Shreya. So I'm investing time, investing all these things. Okay, so that is paid course. You can DM me. I'll tell you the details about the course. Okay. So did you all understand? Did you all understand? Did you all understand? Can I kickstart? Can I kickstart? Everybody, can I kickstart? Can we kickstart? Can we kickstart? Shall we begin? Shall we begin? Shall we begin with the next? Everybody, come on, respond. 25 people. What you all are doing? Just connected, huh? Okay, I'm gonna go little quick. I'm gonna go little quick from now on. So everybody, please observe. Please observe. So now we got to know, okay, HTML, it's a very popular. So why we use this HTML? You to create a structure of web pages, and there is some basic structure, okay, you all want to follow. There is a basic structure which is given by HTML. Okay, so this is a syntax what you should follow before going to, okay, for writing any of the code. So what is the basic structure of any HTML? For example, I'm going to write you in Notepad. I'm going to write it in Notepad. So to create a HTML page, we require something called the first line, that is your doc type and close, and we're going to use HTML. Now, sir, what is this, sir? Sir, what? Why, sir, you're writing like this? We'll see later. This is called a tag. Then we have HTML open. Then we have HTML close. Inside that we have a head section. Then we need to close the head section. Okay. Inside the head section, what is all this? We will see. Don't worry. No problem. Meta. Then we have title. Then we need to close the title. Okay, so next, after the title head, we have a body section, then close the body section. Okay, close the body section. Okay, now this is how we should write the basic structure of HTML. I'm gonna take this. I'm just gonna take this. I'm gonna go paste it here. Guys, understood? This is the basic structure of HTML. What does that mean? If you want to write any of the HTML code, you all want to follow the same syntax what I've written here. Now you all will be amazed, asking, sir, kya sir, what is this? Kya hai wo? Yenidu? Enna idu? Yemi idi? Right? What is this HTML? What is this head meta? I'll tell you beautifully. I'll tell you, don't worry. Doc type means it's nothing but a document type. So what type of document we are gonna write? We are gonna write a HTML document, right? So that tells the document type and the current version of the HTML. So current version of HTML is HTML5. Are you all understanding? So the current version of HTML is what? HTML5. So this line says, okay, what is the version of HTML we are using? What is the document type we are using in the page? This is called doc type. So second page we have a HTML. So what is that HTML means? It's called the root element. Okay. Sir, what do you mean by root element, sir? That is where the execution will start, everybody. From here only the interpreter, the compiler will start the execution. Taka 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 la 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 la. It will go like that. Are you understanding? Execution will start from here. Zzz, okay. So for that we call this as a root element. Okay. Next we have a head section. So what is this head section? What does that mean? Head section contains a very important information. That is your meta information. What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? Meta information. Everybody observe, observe. Don't sleep. Buddy there, don't sleep. Chombu you will get in your career. Chombu will get, see there. This is called meta information. What is meta? Meta is nothing but your browser. So meta is nothing but your browser. Meta information means it is nothing but your browser's information. It is nothing but your what? It is nothing but your what? Browser information. So why you can ask me, Rahul sir, why we need to know the browser information, sir? Sir, why, what do you mean by that browser information? To run any website, the browser should understand what type of file it is, what is the version of browser, what is the application I'm running. All the basic fundamentals will be where inside the meta. You all understanding? So next we have a title. Title is nothing but your tabular data, guys. So what is the tab data or tabular data? Okay, for example, if you open Facebook, okay, we all see, right, in the top it shows Facebook. If you open a WhatsApp, it shows WhatsApp here in the top corner of the tab. That is called tab data. Okay, so next we have am I audible? Am I audible? Am I audible? Yeah, am I audible? That's great. So next we have a body section, right? So what is this body section? Here we have all the elements. Look, all the elements. All the elements. So whatever we see in the user interface, whatever I'm gonna see, whatever the output I'm gonna see, it's gonna be written here in the body section. Okay, are you all understanding, guys? It's beautiful, right, guys? Is it beautiful? Is it beautiful? Can you all see that? Can you all see that? Amazing, amazing, right? This is called the structure of HTML. And doc type is HTML, that tells the version. HTML is root element. Head is nothing but a meta information. Meta means it's nothing but the browser. Title is nothing but a tab data. So what do you mean by body? Body consists of all the elements. So whatever we write, whatever we see the output, it is all written inside the body section itself. Are you all understanding, guys? This is the basic structure of any HTML page. So I want you all to read this. I'll just give, okay, 10-15 seconds. I want you all to study this. This is very important. Very, very important. Very important. Very, very important. HTML5, root element, meta information, browser information, tab data, all the elements. This is very, very, very good example, and this is very important. This is very important. Yeah, done, right? Any questions, guys? Come on, let's kickstart. Kickstart with the coding. Let's kickstart. Today, it's a good day or what? What day? Thursday is good day, right? We're gonna kickstart. Come on, guys. Tell me any doubts? Any doubts till now? My voice is gone. Any doubts, guys? Any doubts? Let me go for a quick question. Any doubts? Come on, guys. Let me go for a quick question. Let's go. Any doubts, guys? Let's go. Am I clear? Am I clear? Am I clear, guys? Am I clear? Any questions you all have got? About meta? Yeah, tell me. What you didn't understand? Arun, tell me, Arun. What is your doubt? What is your doubt? About meta? So, what does that meta means? What does that meta means? Is that your question? What you didn't understand that? Okay, that's great. Observe. So, what do you mean by this meta actually? Okay, for example, okay, you have a browser. Okay, I'm gonna take a beautiful browser. This is your browser. Don't worry. I'll teach you. This is your browser. Okay. Now this browser, okay, can be any browser. This browser can be your Chrome or Safari, and there are Internet Explorer, Tor, then UC browser, Opera Mini. Okay, there are a lot of browsers in the market, and we have a code what we write, right? This is your HTML code. This is your HTML code. This is your HTML code. Now anybody will write the HTML code. Okay, anybody can write the HTML code, and there is not only one browser what you are running. Okay, there are a lot of browsers in the market, okay, Safari is there, Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, then UC browser, Tor browser, DuckDuckGo, it's a search engine, I'm sorry, lots of browsers are there. So what the code you write in your HTML code, what you are writing, that HTML code, it should be understandable. It should be understandable by all the browser. Oh, one more time. It should be understandable by all the browser. Oh, okay. Sir, it is understanding, right? HTML it will understand, right? But to make this configuration, to make sure every HTML code is understood by all the browsers, that browser needs some information. That browser needs some basic data. So we are including some meta information inside the HTML code. What meta information? There is something called UTF. There is something called language. This is English what we are going to write. There is something called viewport. We will tell this is a size you should take browser. So that and all we'll see next when we start with the coding. Are you understanding? As of now, just understand what the code we are writing in HTML, it should be understood by the browser. So all the information I will store here, browser's information I will store inside the code, telling I'm gonna write the code in this version, I'm gonna write the code in this view size, I'm gonna write in this language, everything I'll write in the code, then I'll give the code to the browser. This is called meta. Meta is nothing but your browser's information. Okay guys, cooler? Everybody, hope so you all have understood, guys. Hope so. I assume that you all have understood. Okay, so I'm gonna kickstart with HTML coding. Today we're gonna see kickstart with exactly HTML coding. What is HTML? We have seen the feedback, we have seen the intro. Let's kickstart with coding part. Okay. Let us begin. Hey, hi developers, we all got to know how to write the basic structure of web page. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna use this, yeah, I know this is HTML code. I'm gonna take, okay, this is my HTML code. Okay, I will take a beautiful HTML code. So this is the HTML code what I have written. Now now listen guys, to write this code, there are many ways. Okay, the first part I would tell, to write the code we have something called text editors in the market. Editors, okay, there are some text editors in the market where you can write the HTML code. That text editors include your Notepad, then Edit Plus, then Notepad plus plus, then we have Sticky Notes, then Microsoft Word, MS Word, WordPad. Many are there. Now to write the code, guys, observe. To write the code, the first way is we have a text editor. In that we all have some technologies called Notepad, Edit Plus. Then we have a sticky note. Then we have a MS Word. Now I'll tell you guys. I'll tell you. This is all the way where we can write the code, but there is also one more method. There is one beautiful IDE, integrated development environment, called Visual Studio Code. What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that called? What is that called? What is that called? Visual Studio Code. Ah ha 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 ha. So what is this? What is this? HTML. What is this Notepad? That we'll see. First, I'll teach you. Don't worry, don't worry. I promised you I'm gonna teach you from scratch, right? I'm gonna teach you how to write the code using HTML Notepad Edit Plus. Then we are gonna see how to write the code using your VS Code. Both the options we are gonna see. Both the ways I'm gonna teach you beautifully. Did you all understand, guys? Did you all understand? Did you all understand? Did you all understand? Great, huh? Great, huh? Pakka? Pakka? Is it easy or chombu? Come on, quick. Is it chombu or easy? Is it chombu or easy? Come on, quick, 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 quick. Respond, respond, respond. I want response. I want response. I want response. Okay. Okay. So first, I'm going to teach you how to write the code in Notepad, Edit Plus, Notepad plus plus. In that we'll just see with the Notepad. Then we are going to see how to use VS Code. So what is VS Code? Visual Studio Code. So we'll start with how to install the VS Code. Then we will see how to write the code in VS Code. Okay. So first I'm going to kickstart. I'm just going to open Notepad. This is called Notepad. For that, everybody should go to Start, enter Notepad. Just write the code. Structure of HTML says doc type HTML. Then we need to go for HTML. Then we need to close that HTML. It's called a root element. Easy peasy, pakka easy peasy. Head, then head is head section. Then we have body section. Then close the body section. So in the head section we all have meta. Then we have something called title. So in the title I will write document, some text. Then I'm gonna write title. Then inside the body I just want to write hello world. That is the first code, right? This is the first code what everybody will write. Hello world, hello world, right? Now this is how we write the code in Notepad. And you can see this is having a basic structure control. Now how to run this code? Observe carefully. We all should go for file. One more time. File, save as, choose a path. I'm gonna go to desktop. One more time, slowly, all of them observe. File, repeat after me, save as, desktop, choose a file name. I'm gonna write index.html. One more time. Index.html. So what is this index? It's a file name. What is HTML? It's the extension. Save karo. Close. Oh, desktop not visible. Okay, here. I have the file. First file we have created. Open with Google Chrome. Always Google Chrome, my favorite. That's great, I think. See here, hello world. We all have got. Beautifully. Copy this. Let me open. Open one more time. How to open? Double click. Hello world. Did you all understand, guys? Did you all see that? Hello world. This is a code. Beautifully. You all are web developers now. You all can apply for jobs. Really, I'm telling, you all can apply. You all know how to write the code in HTML. And this is called tab data. This is called a tabular data. What I've said you in the beginning, right? When I've written the code, when I've written, where, here, in the title. What you write in the title? What do you write in the title? That comes over here. That comes over here, document. Okay, did you all understand? Did you all understand? This is how we run the code. This is how we run the code using your Notepad or Edit Plus or Notepad Plus or Sticky or Word. This is the same process. But I'm not worried, boss. It's shit. I'll tell you. I want to write from the scratch. It's impossible. So for that, we have a beautiful IDE called, okay, VS Code. Visual Studio Code is a software. It's a software. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful software which is used to write our VS Code, all the web development logics, all the project file. So we are going to learn how to use this VS Code right now. So how to use all of them? Open the browser, just enter Visual Studio Code download. I want to go to the theme, light theme. Where is that theme? Why is it in dark theme, guys? Theme, Chrome profile. Is it that? Okay. I want a light theme. Light. It's showing lights off. What the hell? Where is the light theme, guys? Where is it? Where is it? Where is the themes? Where is the themes? Mode, yeah, light mode. That's great. Refresh. Okay, one more time. Okay, Visual Studio Code download. Why it's not here? It's not working here. Okay. I think should have to change the theme again. Okay. Customize your Chrome profile. No, I want to go for a very is it this? No, nope. Okay, we'll check it. Okay, always mode is in light, reset to default. Okay, let me close this and come back. Okay, I'll check it later. I don't know why my theme is in dark. Okay. Quick settings. Anything here? Yeah. Okay. Great. We got it. So download VS Code, Visual Studio Code. If you have a MacBook, you know, right? If you are an Apple user, you have a Mac. So I use MacBook for streaming here, and this is a desktop. So Linux, Unix, if you have, you can download. Click on this. And I am having a Windows, right? I want to go for Windows. So I will download here. If you have Mac, you can download here, okay? So I'm going to download. Thanks for downloading. Thank you. Okay. Now see here. It's beautifully. It's 96 MB, guys. My internet is shit, I'll tell. It's very slow, I believe. It's downloading very slow. But for you, I think you're going to download it very fast. You all are in PG or home somewhere. Free internet you'll get, right? So just install this. How to install this? Double click. Then you're gonna get beautifully. This is called your setup box. This is where the place you're gonna install the software. Are you all understanding? So here, okay. So what we'll do is, okay. Here I'm gonna accept. Okay, accept the agreement. I'm gonna accept the agreement. Just next. Create a desktop icon. Next install. Did you all understand? Guys? Did you all understand? So what we did, just we all went for Visual Studio Code, then we had downloaded that software that is for Windows. If you are in MacBook, download for Mac. Are you understanding, guys? Are you all understanding, everybody? Everybody got it? Then just install the software. Launch, click on finish. Here is your beautiful Visual Studio Code. This is your Visual Studio Code. I'm just gonna change the theme. I'm just gonna give a light theme, default light. Okay, this is great. So this is your Visual Studio Code, guys. So this is what exactly the place. This is the IDE. This is the software. This is a software we are going to use to create web pages. Are you all understanding, guys? Got it? I'm going to use all this. Cut this. I'm going to put it inside this. Cut. Yeah, let's not keep it confusing. Okay. Yeah, got it, guys. Guys, got it. Okay, narrow, third class fellow. Okay. So shall we go, guys? Shall we go for next? Shall we go next? Okay. So now we will see how to write a beautiful HTML page using VS Code. So what we are gonna do, guys, inside this, I'm gonna before this I'm gonna create a new folder in the desktop. So I'm gonna go with a new folder, file, okay, then new folder. I'm gonna do online, okay, online class. So I'm gonna open this online class. Okay, I'm just gonna take this in the VS Code. So what I do, open the VS Code, then you all need to go to file, open folder. Are you understanding? One more time. VS Code, file, open folder. Just go to desktop, online class. Select the folder. Zig. Now this is your folder. Now we need to create HTML page, right? Now I'm gonna click on this plus new file, index.html. So this is your extension, this is your file name, this is your extension. Now here I want to go with the shortcut. There is a shortcut to get the basic structure, that is your exclamatory mark, then give a enter. One more time. Open the Visual Studio Code, then file, open the folder, then online class, select. Now here I'm gonna come from first. I'm gonna create a new file, index.html. Now inside this exclamatory mark, enter. Chombu, I'm going very slow. None of the people, even if you are paying some money, they will not go slow. Please observe, focus. Please focus. Buddy, they focus, or else chombu for you. Observe. Inside this, I'm gonna write hello world. Now, file, save. This. Minimize. Zig. Open the folder. Here I have a file called index. Click on hello world. What is that? Hello world. So we all have got beautifully the output. Are you all understanding? No. Rahul sir, okay, how to get the shortcut, sir? Exclamatory enter. This is first. One more method, HTML colon 5. What is that? HTML colon 5. Exclamatory mark enter first method, HTML colon 5 second method. Both are there. Okay? Are you understanding, guys? This is exactly how we are gonna write the HTML page. Any question, guys? Any questions? Manish, let's go. Come on. Saurabh Dwivedi, Bhaiya, do you know about React? Yeah, I am a React developer. I know React. Yeah, I'm a React.js developer. Is this certificate course? Yeah, this is actually certificate course, but right now, as I'm doing it for free, it's not. But once if you have, you want to join a paid course for JavaScript, okay, then React or something like that, that is a certificate course. You'll get certified from organization. Okay. So I'm just seeing this is like third day, right? I've just started the online session from 3 days. Okay, I'm just gonna take the statistics who and all I've attended every day, okay, on the live. So I'm gonna take only these people and I'm gonna start with the Zoom meeting. Only in the Zoom I'm gonna conduct this free course. Then I'm gonna kickstart with React and JavaScript, advanced JavaScript and projects with different pay schedule. Okay, I'll be posting in what in my Instagram very soon. Okay. So did you all understand, guys? Today I think we have learned a lot of things. We got to know what is HTML, what is the basic fundamental, how to create an HTML page. Okay. See, you cannot directly make, okay, 3D websites using React. You have lot of, okay, third party, okay, plugins to use. You can use Flutter to make that. Okay, there are many other third party plugins which can be used for doing a 3D website. That is all models what you should create. But recently I've seen people using Blender to create the models, and they put the same model inside the web application. Okay, you can use that. And Wix, there are many other websites, okay, which are used to create some 3D websites. Okay, Canva was also providing. Right now it's not there, they've stopped, I think. Okay, okay. Any other question? How many? 28 people are there. Come on, tell present, sir. Let me see. How many people are there? Who and all are there? Let me see the names at least. Okay, maybe by Saturday will be my last class. From Monday, I'm gonna do, okay, in the Google Meet. Right now, I'm just checking how it goes in YouTube, and I'm gonna also start with some internship classes for other people in different college. So that time also will change. So come on, tell a present when we start HTML. Hey, today we started. Lay, what are you sleeping or what? Vicky, what happened to you, Vicky? Today we kickstarted. See there, text editor, that this HTML code, everything started, Vicky. Present, crazy, hi Sham. Guys, are you learning something? Is it useful, or am I wasting my time, your time? Just say present, let me see what all are there. Vicky, crazy, 777, what name? Aha, crazy. Lazy fellow, don't know to keep your name. Okay, Joe Talks. Okay, you are Pakka. You are there every day. Before me, you will come and stand at 7 o'clock. Shweta Chinu, yeah, you are also there. Very good. Hi Venkat, present. Nandu, hi. Pooja Chaudhary, hi Pooja. Come on guys. Next, who and all are there? Arun, okay, very useful. Thank you so much. I didn't start still anything. Coding, I have not started anything. Just basics have started, but Pakka I'll tell. I'll go on next level depth. Thank you, Bhaiya, to make me understood about 3D website. Okay, that's my pleasure. Saurabh. Srinivas Prasanna, present. Deepa Varad, present. That's nice. What about others? Come on, guys. One all are there. One all are there. Okay, today is my first class in your channel. That's great. It's 3 days session where I've already started. You check in my channel. I've posted in live. Okay, there you can go and check. There you get it. Okay, Vicky, there we have previous videos. 2 videos I've posted. Okay, if you just go and check. For example, I'll just show you. You just go to my YouTube. Okay, then just go to my channel. Okay, so here inside my channel, you all can see here we have a live, right? So this is my channel. This is a new created, just 3 days it's been live. If you click, you'll get this videos. Okay, 1 2 3, this is the 3rd day live what you're going. So if you want to follow me, please subscribe and click on the bell button, then only you'll get the notification. If you want to follow me on Instagram, you can click on this is my Instagram. This is only for coding what I've posted. Okay, then this is my personal Instagram what I use. Okay, that is for coding, and this is my personal Instagram. You all can follow me there. GitHub is here, but everything is in private. I don't keep okay, code in public. Okay, so yeah, next. Anybody guys? How many are only that much? Priya, present. Hi Priya. Priya is my favorite name, you know. Usually I take Priya as example in all my okay stuffs what I teach for people. Okay, so shall I go for next? Okay, so you all have got to know how to create a beautiful web page that is only using HTML, just hello world. So this is our folder, right? Okay, so this is our folder. So just click on this, you get this. So now the content goes like this. Next we're gonna kickstart with tags. There is something called tags. Okay, sorry, I want to go for live, right? Yeah. So you all got to know what exactly this is, how to create one HTML. But there are a lot of things, guys, you guys don't know. People don't teach an institution and stuff. If when you go, there are many things which is not covered by, okay, any of the people in institution, because they also don't know, I think. And that much depth knowledge nobody has, and they don't have a patience also to give that much of knowledge. Okay, so I'll give you, okay, I'll go very slow and it should be very useful. Okay, hello Sergi, are you a front end or back end developer? Gaurav, I'm a front end developer. Gaurav, I'm a front end developer. I know HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React. Angular, I know a little bit. And I know programming languages like Java, and backend, I know SQL. But I'm expert in front end. Could I know what do you do? I was a trainer in one of the popular institution. I've just quit my job to make my own startup. So right now I have my own okay place where I do coding. I do internship, and I teach people online, offline, and I also have opened a new office where I'm taking courses. Okay, I'm a techie. I teach people how to code. Okay, this is me, Saurabh. The same thing, Vicky. I said you right. Okay, so guys, any questions? So I have gone through. Okay, okay. You can please follow me on Instagram. You can all follow me on YouTube. You can give the okay bell icon. Okay, so that you can also get notified when whenever I'm coming online. Okay, so shall we see tomorrow, guys? What's your package? Right now, I said I'm not working in any organization, so there is no package. It's all depending on how much I work hard. How many classes I take, I get paid. How many days you will take to complete HTML? So 3 days it is very slow because I want you guys to come with my flow. So when I kickstart with Google Meet, I'm gonna go very quick. I will finish very soon, as soon as possible. Deepa, don't worry about that. Are you understanding? Okay, I'm gonna kickstart with maybe in Google Meet, or okay, I'm gonna buy a workspace. I'm gonna do the class there. So I'm just checking $1 coming. This is a free session, right? So $1 attending every day. I'm gonna pick only these people and I'm gonna go. What's your package? What was your package? No, I don't think so. I just need to reveal that package. It was good. It was good. Like I was earning good. What a developer can earn. Okay, whatever team lead used to earn, I used to earn that much. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Okay, that's great. I had good session with you all. I think so, at least even for one or two people this session was little useful, and I will also teach you guys how to okay take some okay interviews. Okay, I'll teach you guys how to make okay online interviews to get scheduled. I'll tell you how to prepare your resume, everything. Whenever I'm feeling bored with the session, we'll go with that. Okay, so thank you so much. Okay, and it was a good session with all of you. We'll be meeting you tomorrow at 7 o'clock, 7 p.m. exactly. I'm going to start the live. You can also share the live for your people who are willing to become a developer. Okay, see you guys. Bye bye. Take care. Until then, signing.